Tara guys, samahan niyo ako as I take my oath-taking ceremony at PICC. So for reference only, I took my board exam last August 2 to 3, 2023 and after 1 month, here we are at oath-taking ceremony at PICC. Medyo maulan nga rin ito katulad ng board exam namin. Since sobrang traffic at sobrang dami nagda-drop off sa PICC, nag-decide na lang kami lakarin since baka malik din ako. Alam nyo guys, pangarap ko talaga makatungtong ng PICC kaya naman thank you Lord kasi dininig niya yung panalangin natin. And by the way, I wear a non-conventional Filipiniana. Naisip ko kasi kaysa bumili ako ng Filipiniana na isang beses ko lang naman susuotin, why not reuse my Infinity Tool Gown na isang beses ko lang naman nagamit and bought a Filipiniana top-up to pair with it. If you're going to take your oath-taking ceremony, I suggest that you bring a fan or kaya pamaypay and bring lots of patience with you kasi napakahaba ng pila at napakaraming tao. And don't ever forget your oath-taking form kasi ito yung kinukuha ng PRC so that they have a proof that you have attended your oath-taking ceremony. Sa price naman ng ticket, 1,300 for inductee and 1,000 for each guest. I personally suggest to get your ticket ahead once it's available